My name's Mia Goddard. I'm the Curriculum Quality Lead for Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy here at Hastings College. Welcome, this is a short video to tell you a bit about what we offer in our hairdressing and barbering department. Across all of our hairdressing courses, you'll study everything that you need to go out there into industry, from your basic one length cut right the way up to the more complex graduated hairstyles, as well as all the up-to-date most modern colouring techniques. And in your barbering, you'll learn things about your men's hairstyling, clipper techniques, including cutthroat shaving and hot towel treatments as well. So a lot of our students go straight into industry. They'll stay here and study things like the level 2, level 3 hair, as well as our barbering courses, and they go into industry. A lot have gone into local hair salons within the area and our local barber shops. So one really springs to mind. Her name was Angel Pooley. She did hairdressing and beauty therapy with us a few years ago, but she really got into her barbering. She was inspired by the Seville work experience that she did and decided to then go on to work internationally. She's opened up a chain of barbershops currently in the US and is working and really successful. So we have a lot of work experience placements. Certainly on our barbering courses, we have a lot of external industry experts coming in and doing in-house teaching, as well as our students going out to do work experience within the salons. Goodman's Barbers is one we use a lot, which is based here in Hastings. A lot of other local salons do take our students on as well. So we go to the Salon International, which is a professional hair trade exhibition based up in Excel in London. It gives students the opportunity to have a look at some of the professional brands out there. For example, Wella always have a big stand and they do a lot of professional demonstrations up there. Students can purchase extra equipment, extra tools at reduced prices. So for your foundation learning, it's a smaller kit, so you have more of a basic kit in there, but working up onto level 2 and 3, you'll need things like scissors, professional clippers, combs, brushes and things like that. So your kit will cost you around £145 to £200. It is quite expensive. Some of you might be entitled to help with a bursary, so we have full financial support here at the college, which you can inquire about when you apply for your course. But all of the equipment that we source for you is of a really good quality and good standard, so it will last you for years and years, and if you gain any work experience part-time employment, you can use all of your equipment there as well. We have a range of courses, so depending on what qualifications you get at school, starting at foundation learning all the way up to our level 3, you can come in at different entry points at level 2 depending on your GCSE grades. For the higher level 2, we do ask for 5 GCSEs, grade 4 and above, or we do have an alternative. So if you don't quite hit those, we do have an alternative, which is a slightly smaller qualification that you can study before you go on to your full level 2 or level 3. And at foundation learning, this will be sort of underpinning knowledge and everything, building you up towards your level 2. So all of our hair staff here have got great expertise and lots of industry experience, around 15 to 20 years for each member of staff, with a lot of them still practicing out there in industry, owning their own mobile businesses, working within other salons, and some owning their own salons as well. So here at Station Plaza, we're really lucky. We've got a very central location. We're right next door to the train station and also the bus depot, so it's very easy to travel here. Unlike other colleges and training providers, we have fully equipped, purpose-built hairdressing salons. So everything you need is in there, and it's all designed around hairdressing itself. Everything from the dress outs to the basins to the products that we use, even down to our automatic hoovers we have set out in there as well. So thanks for watching this video. Any questions, please get in contact and we hope to see you soon.